championship before. Um, well, been to a Super Bowl. Let me correct myself. Been to a Super Bowl and got smoked. But the leadership aspect, because this is a young Saints defense.
Mm-hmm.
What weight do you give to that being a factor in him being brought into this team, and what in the hell just happened right here? It looks like we got Craig just walked in.
I think we
behind
just
us.
got video bombed.
Yeah, we got video bombed here, but we just gonna keep going because weird stuff like this happens all the time on H&W Sports Talk Live. It doesn't bother us. We just keep
Green
rolling
screen.
anyway. Yeah,
His shirt.
he's still in. I haven't seen anyone this dazed and confused since Matt Shaw last looked at a playbook.
No, it's that light bulb right there, Craig.
Yeah.
Yeah, that right there.
Yeah.
There you go.
So, but moving right along, another. Speaking of quarterbacks, that, well, besides the fact that weird guys pop locking behind us, speaking of quarterbacks that may or may not deserve another opportunity, Rusty Smith, the former Titans third string quarterback, is getting is getting a workout with the New York Giants.
Selfie with a DB.
So he may possibly be joining the Tennessee Titans. I'm sorry, he may possibly be joining the New York Giants as a third string quarterback. So, and now, so we're done with NFL free
Yes.
agency.
Yeah.
Wanted to close out on this issue today because this is something that D and I talked about on our show on BTP Sports Radio. Speaking of ignorant ass quarterbacks, on there, right? But you might get a DNA test.